Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got some items from the Mega Drop Shop from Ipsy, and they do the Mega Drop Shop every quarter, every 3 months. So I was on the first day and I got some really good little bundles. So let's see what I got. Here is one little bundle, and this is called the Kiss and Tell bundle, and this was $5. $5. I had to get it. It's in this cute little bag, but I'll have to cut it open, otherwise we'll be here all day. I try to get a knot out of something. This came with a bag, a previous glam bag, because I've had this bag before. It's super cute. It's furry. It's fuzzy. It's like a stuffed animal fuzzy. You can see how cute that is. It is lined with this burgundy color satin, and this bag is older because it has the little leather Ipsy patch, which I love. And then the handle is like a leatherette handle. You know, you could use this as a what do they call that now? I can't think of anything, but anyway, it says it's stamped with Ipsy on it. It has some fuzz on it, but it's a cute little bag, you know, a little cosmetic bag. Super cute for winter. Nice zipper. It's a little disheveled, but it's got some things falling off of it. But $5 for what was in here, which were lip products. It's called this particular $5 set was called Kiss and Tell, and it claims to be valued at $59, y'all. I don't know about that, but we'll see. We'll see what I got. Let me start off with this. Is the Dermalect Smooth and Supple Lip Mask Melt. And we know Dermalect is a great product line. That has a nice, I like that little angle going on there. So you can put that on your lips and not have to worry about, you know, putting it on your finger, then putting it on your lips. You can just use it right from the container. And that is called Smooth and Supple Lip Mask Melt. So it'll, you know, moisturizer probably, you know, overnight, or just if you need it through the day. It's so much better than, these things are so much better than chapstick, in my opinion. You know, different emollients in them. I don't know the value of that. That's a deluxe sample. I don't know the value of these things that are in here, but they say $59 value. Then we have Context Lippy, Context brand. This is in the color Tears Are Falling, and there for a while, Ipsy was selling this lippy maybe for $5 itself, just the lippy, and it's beautiful, and I have it. And do I have it open right here? I have some of that fuzz on my lips now. It's here somewhere. Oh, here it is. This is it. Oh no, this one's Hide Your Heart. All right, it's here somewhere. So I'll just show it to you really quick, and then I'm gonna close it up. It is one, I really like it. It's very beautiful. We'll close it right up so we don't get any fuzz on it. But that's in this little $5 bag. And this, you know, it's a lippy, so it's at least $12. I don't know, Context brand, how much it is. And then, now this is the thing that has value to it. Seraphim Botanicals. This is Apricot and Camellia Lip Serum. And Seraphim Botanicals, all their stuff is, you know, vegan, cruelty-free, PETA certified. It's Korean beauty. It's absolutely gorgeous packaging. Look at how pretty. I don't know if you can see that because it's so light on. It's gold on white with flowers on it. Their packaging is beautiful. Their products are. I haven't had anything from them that I haven't liked. I use their lip balm most every night before I go to bed, and it's kept me from having chapped lips. So this is going to be a roller ball. Seeing if it has a scent to it. So I haven't tried their roller balls before, so I'm happy to have this Apricot and Camellia Lip Serum. So this could be $24, $34. These are very expensive. Seraphim Botanicals items are. So valued at $59. I got it for $5. Would I pay $59 for this set? No. But I do like that Seraphim Botanicals. Cute bag, super cute bag. Little wristlet there, that's what it's called, wristlet. Super cute. $5. I couldn't pass it up. I just couldn't pass it up. So I'll try to take pictures of things and put them on Instagram. Doesn't mean I'll remember to, but I'll try. Next, I have a So Royal mystery bag. I think it's in here. I think this all came in a big box, a big giant box, way too big for what it is. But this says that it has a bonus product, says that it is valued at $64, and I paid $9 for it. So a lot of times with the Mega Drop Shop, they have some previous mystery bags, previous month's bags that they have on sale. Because previous month's bags are the deluxe sample size glam bag mystery bags are usually $14. So this is $9. And like I said, it says $64 value. So this bag I've had several times. I have it right now. And I love this bag. It's like a leather bag. Let me see. And I do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I do have 6 items. It's really pretty. You know, roll tide, if you're an Alabama fan. It's the houndstooth. It has a black lining and it has the fabulous little leather Ipsy tag in there. The wristlet is red and it does say Ipsy in gold right there. So it's super cute. That was the mail lady. It is almost 7 o'clock at night here. You're seeing this probably during the day, but I film this at night, and I hate that they're out so late, but they're trying to catch up from all the bad weather we've had. But I love the bag. It's, like I said, leatherette. It's just a great bag. So this is $9, and I do have 6 items. So I'm not sure what the bonus item is, but let's see what I've got. I've got Benton brand Aloe Soothing Mask Pack, it says. So this is a face mask aloe. Look at it, looks really nice. I don't think I've had this before, Benton. So that'll be nice to use. We have, whoops, I'm dropping things. Beauty for Real. This looks like an eyeliner. It's just a black eyeliner. I think I have this one, honestly. And it's just fine, you know, for an eyeliner. I have Way Detox Shampoo. Now remember, this bag is a, you know, like a glam bag, so it's got all the deluxe minis, but this would be a full size. And so there's a good, for me, now it depends on who you are, but there's a good couple of uses in here for me. If not 2, if not, oh gosh, probably 3 or 4 maybe even, because I don't need a lot of shampoo. So that's nice. This is an expensive brand, and it's a good hair brand. And there is this brush in here, and this is so cute. This is the Lovecraft Beauty. I've had brushes from them before in this beautiful pattern. This has a little plastic cover on it. So it's a really pretty brush. Nice face brush, nice cover for it. And that pretty pattern. Yeah, it says Lovecraft Beauty on it. Very pretty. Goes nicely with the bag. And we have a little something wrapped up here. I think I've had this bag before. I mean, I know I've had this bag before, but I mean this actual bundle I think I've had. Because this looks like, yeah, it's Real Her Make It Pop Power Wear Blush. And let's see what that looks like. It has a mirror. This little thing has a mirror. It's a very pretty orangey blush. Very pretty. Nice. You know, honestly, for me, what about you guys? I mean, I use blush, but how much blush does a person need? This would last me a while, this size, but it's a little too orangey for me, I think. And then there is a Context All or Nothing, it says. It's all shrink wrapped. Let me see if I can get it open. Got the wrapping off. This is Context Nude Balm Lippy, and it is in All or Nothing. And so this is a lip balm, it says. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. It's like a bronze copper color. It's gorgeous. I do have one of these in a different color, and I really like it. So this is valued, since I unwrapped that, I checked pricing. $20 for this lippy, $20 for this lippy from the other bag, $19 for the Beauty For Real eyeliner, and this Seraphine Botanicals Apricot and Camellia Lip Serum, $42. That's what I mean about the pricing of Seraphine Botanicals. Are very, very expensive. And I got 4 bags with this haul. Look how pretty that is. This is glass. So pretty. Was I finished showing you everything in there? I had the brush. So in this bag, this is a glam bag. So I got 3 full-size items: the brush, the eyeliner, the lippy, and then I got the Way shampoo. And then, you know, personally, I consider this a full size, but now it's because it's 1, and then you will, you know, but it may be a part of a package of 3 or 5 or 10 or something. But I would consider this full size. And usually these masks are $5-ish or so. So I got 4 different bags, but this is getting long. So I'm just going to show you those 2, and then we'll do a part 2. I paid $5 for the lippy bag. And these things, $5, $20, $42. That's why that was said it was so high in value. I couldn't find a price for the deluxe sample. And then $9 for this gorgeous bag, which this is one of my favorite bags. This is just perfect. I could hand these out to everybody I know, because if you're an Alabama fan, then you know red and houndstooth is what you wear. And how perfect for this is to carry out when there's a game on. Or just if you're an Alabama fan. So thank you for stopping by and seeing this part 1, and come back and see part 2 of my Mega Drop Shop haul from Ipsy. I also have other things coming, by the way. This is just one box that I received. Count your blessings, y'all. Take care. Bye-bye.